Process-based restoration is the art and science of manipulating on-site resources and on-site energy using human power to initiate, hasten, or stabilize a recovery trajectory at a landscape scale. As a company, Swiftwater Design is focused exclusively on process-based restoration and beaver restoration. The work itself is a conversation with a riverscape. It's the idea that a landscape can heal itself given the tools, techniques, and nudges that will allow it to return to health on its own so that we don't have to keep poking it forever. We build something that looks a lot like a beaver dam.
Okay, wow.
This is insane.
Wow, wow, wow.
The pool gets deeper and deeper and deeper. Eventually, water starts flowing into the side channel.
Oh my God. This is amazing.
And new water on dry ground is sacred to the restorationist. The folks on the crew are motivated by making a better world. Go team! So we stuffed that one, switched it twice, stuff.
Yeah.
Layers upon layers.
7 years of building, we have built 4,900 structures on 80 stream miles.
We're having a conversation with the meadow.
New water! We are not a cult.
So once you can't help but see how messed up the waters of our poor beat-up world are, if you have a scrap of a soul left, you have to act. The groundwork of a life is just show up, put on your boots, do the work, make a gain, make that a habit, make that a life, instill that in another generation. I think if you do what you love and you obsess for like 5 straight years and you burn everything on the altar to doing the thing that you love, you have a reasonable chance. What do we look like in 200 years of steadily winning at making this a better place with the hands we got, with the materials that are already here? People will hunt elk on the meadows that we built who will never know our names. Kids don't go to school. Get a shovel, play in the mud. Join the mud circus. At Swiftwater Design, we make dry land wet.